Hey, this is Jessie, and welcome to VIEH Group OSINT Revealed series. Today, we've taken a very famous website, or you can say framework for the open source intelligence called OSINTframework.com. So let's look into it. This is the website URL. OSINT Framework indexes a multitude of connections to different URL, recommending where to look next when conducting an investigation. It also provides suggestions on what services can help analysts find specific data that might aid in their research. Where to use. When you plug a piece of data, such as an email address, phone number, name, etc., into the framework, it returns all known online sources that contain information relevant to that data. The OSINT framework also offers a list of potential resources where more information related to that particular source can be found. Let's have an example. So this is the OSINT framework website. You can click on any dot for the related investigation. Let's click on username. Here you can gather info about username of a particular person or anyone. These are some most famous tools that will help you to gather info for usernames. Similarly, you can click on any dots to expand it and to check the related OSINT tool. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Let's see you in the next video.